Allah sent many prophets to spread the message of Islam. The Quran is a guide for all of Allah's followers, and in the Quran there are 25 prophets mentioned. One of these is Prophet Shuaib alayhi salam, and today I'm going to tell you his story. The people of Madian were Arabs who lived in the country of Ma'an, part of which today is Greater Syria. They were a greedy people who did not believe that Allah existed and who led wicked lives. They only cared about themselves and were not fair and just in their business exchanges. They lied to their customers and cheated them. Allah sent His Prophet Shuaib, peace be upon him, armed with many miracles. Shuaib preached to them, begging them to be mindful of Allah's favours and warning them the consequences of their evil ways. But they only mocked him. Shuaib remained calm as he reminded them he was not doing this for himself. He was simply a messenger of the truth of Allah. But they did not listen. They seized the belongings of Shuaib and his followers and then drove them out of the city. The messenger turned to his Lord for help, and his plea was answered. Allah sent down a scorching heat, and the people of Madian suffered terribly. On seeing a cloud gathering in the sky, they thought it would bring cool, refreshing rain, and rushed outside in the hope of enjoying the rainfall. Instead, the cloud burst, hurling thunderbolts and fire. They heard a thunderous sound from above, which caused the earth under their feet to tremble. The people of Madian were no more. Allah surely is pleased with those who are obedient and are good to others. We, inshallah, should be good to those around us and obedient to Allah as well. To learn more about the prophets, watch out for more prophet stories in this series.